Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is very emotional, very sensitive to me and to a bunch of other girls out there. I'm being so dramatic, I don't know why. So hi everybody, this is the real me. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about edgelessness. Yes, it's very sensitive to me. Growing up, I never had edges, so this one is not along the way I lost my edges. I really never had edges, and I don't understand because everybody in my house seems to have edges. So I guess this is what happens for being the black sheep in the family, you know. So today guys, I found a hack to making your edges look like they're frontals. Trust me ladies, frontals, because there's nothing worse than doing ponytail and it looks like your ponytail is starting from here when you really have hair here. So I found a hack to making my front hair look nice and presentable, even with my hair packed all back. As you can see right now, my hair is unpresentable, and I'm going to show you how to make this look cute. So for this tutorial guys, I'm going to For this tutorial guys, I'm going to be using Juvia's palette and Kudi Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. So the trick is, I'm going to use the closest brown to my hair color there, and I'll mix it up with some of that from here. So I'm going to go in now, so just stay around and I'll show you. So I'm just going to go in with the softest brown shade in my Juvia's palette. So I'm just going to go in and I'm just going to, you know, brush it into my hair. I'm going in with the softest guys, and I'm just not doing it too much, just to make it get used to my skin. Remember, going in with the softest. I didn't go in directly with the darkest brown because I don't want to make it look so artificial. I'm trying to make it look a bit natural. So now I'm going in with the dark brown. So you see it's looking a bit red, but don't worry, we're going to fix that. That's why you have me here. So I'm just doing that and brushing it in. I'm going into my Kudi palette and I'm going with this and this. So I'm going to don't forget, you need to get to the edges. You don't just do hair, you have to go in to your hair as well, so it can blend nicely. Don't forget these places and just keep blending, you know. Just look at my edges. The devil is a liar. I will have edges 2018. And if you have other remedies you feel I should try or you've heard of, you can just let me know and I will do a review on it and get back to you girls. So I'm taking a bit of black to go into the places where there are no hairs at all, like the frontal side of this, and just going in. So can you see the difference ladies? But I'm just going to keep going in till I get the result I want. So this isn't really the result I want, but you get the trick. Oops. So you get the trick. After doing this, I take a tiny toothbrush and just keep brushing. Like I'm brushing all the product I used into my hair. Can you see? Into my hair. And I take a black gel. This is a whole lot of gel guys, do not insult me. So I'm just going to take a tiny piece of that gel. I'm not using too much, and I'm just going to go in, trying to give you that edge look. Don't forget you're focusing here as well. So remember, do not ignore your real hair. What's the effect of this is you are trying to blend the new powder into your old hair. So don't do this by just allowing it to live here and just brushing the front. No, brush everything into your hair to make it look like, yeah, you really do have edges. Ha! Precious the edgeful. Is this me? Man, I need to start an edge show or something. What? So I'm just designing my edges the way I want to. So you see, guess what? All the edgeful people, you got God-given edges, but you don't have the right to design it the way you want to. But me, I have the right to design it in the pattern I want it to go. So after that, you don't want to look too fake. I'm just taking my powder brush and I'm brushing it in, so it looks a bit natural. You get, you don't want them knowing I've got eyeshadow on my hair. Then you bring some hair to the front, so at least it looks nice and presentable. Voila! So see the difference and this. So I'm going to go and do the other side off camera and come back and show you guys how. So guys, I'm just combing all of that into my real hair. Real hair. So I'm just combing it, and now I'm going to pack my hair into the way I want it to look. You can pause it. So guys, this is the finale. Is it? So I'm just going to go in with this spirit thing and spray my hair so it stays. I don't even know if anything got on it. Then after that, I'm using my setting spray all over my face and my hair so it can stay. And voila, I have edges. Put some respect on my name. Edges, edgeful, edgeful beauty. I'm so beautiful with my edges. What? Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope it was helpful, and if you really liked it, please like, subscribe, share, and let girls know that being edgeless is not a curse. There's a solution to every problem in this life that God has created. So I really hope you actually, my niece and my nephews are actually clapping for me because they're so happy I am edgeful again, guys. I'm so excited. Thank you. I'm so emotional, so I can be edgeful. What? I'm so happy. So guys, till next time, please share this video. Let ladies out there know that to be edgeless is not a sin. Oh, see, Kim wants to say hi. My mommy is edgeful again. Bye. Till next time, guys. I love you guys so much, and remain blessed and glow on. Bye.